Glila Castokwa, Nuka Kamanawazi, Gaitlin Lachilis, Gaitlin Lachat Namris, Gaiden like Yuk, Lach, not Lachastala. I know, really bum view. I'm folding my clothes again. I can't seem to get it together. Anyway, so I wanted to go over the differences between the A and the A line. So when I say A line, it means the A with a line under it. Okay, so hold on one sec. Okay, I'm back. Sorry, there was a lighter in my dryer. Freaky. Anyway, so I wanted to go over the differences in pronunciation when using it with a consonant. So the vowels are A, E, O, U. If you go back into my videos, you can find this. So A, E, O, U. Okay, so now we're going to use the A sound when doing these consonants in combination of consonant. Okay, so let's just go through them because I'm just fumbling around here. Okay, so A, Ba, Da, Gla, Za, Gya, Gwa, Ga, Gwa, Ha, I, Kya, Kwa, Kya, Kwa, Kha, Kwa, Ka, Kwa, La, Sha, Ma, Na, O, Pa, A, Sa, Ta, 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 Kla, Ka, U, Wa, Hya, Hwa, Cha, Hwa, Ya, and then the stop sign. So that's what I'm talking about, okay? So it just makes you'll know when you're using the A, the letter A, is because your mouth is open. I was overly emphasizing and overdoing it and being dramatic. So it's ah. Your mouth is open. Ah, okay, when you're using the A. Okay, so now, sorry, I'm really tired looking. Now, if you're going to be using the A line, which makes an sound, there's sometimes, not always, but sometimes always, there's a difference in the letter change, and it's actually not in the Umistart orthography, so that's kind of like messes a lot of people up. But we try to just teach it as it is when we're teaching the letters, so you'll hear. Okay, so so say and I remember when I made this video before, if you go backwards and listen to how the vowel sounds are, the is like if I punch you in the tummy. Okay, so that's the sound that the A line makes. Okay, so you have your, we'll just go through the alphabet again. So A, B, D, Gl, Z, E, G, 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 H, I, K, 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 L, L, M, N, O, P, S, T, 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 U, W, H, 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 Y, and then stop sign. So you'll notice the difference because if I was going to be doing the B with an A and then B with an A line back to back, so ba, b, d, da, gla, z. No, bomb example. Anyway, so there is a big difference on how those sounds are and how your mouth is when you're saying those sounds, okay? So you notice when I was saying the ah, your mouth is wide open, and when I was doing the A line, it's more closed. Ah, ah, okay? It really does matter, and I know that it's like bringing us back to maybe elementary school for some of the people that might be on these videos. But it's really important, and we're not actually in advanced mode either, so it's good to continue to practice. And because I've heard some people say, I know that stuff already. Well, if you know it, then you can actually inspire somebody and support somebody that is at beginner level trying to learn, okay? So thank you for tuning into my videos. I really appreciate it. I know I just come up with things on the fly. I'm just folding laundry right now and wanted to make a video. I do have a meeting soon. I just got out of school, so lots of things are happening in my life. But